Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video regarding a simple Fibonacci retracement which I've been using for the last couple of days, and it's automatic. Before I begin, I would just like to mention that this is an educational channel. All views expressed over here are for educational purposes only. So please do not make or take any financial decisions based on the views expressed over here. Kindly consult your financial advisor before you make or take any financial decisions. Also read the disclaimer below. With that said, let's proceed. So as you can see on my screen, I'm on the US crude oil charts. I'm on the 30-minute time frame. All right. So what I'll first of all do is I'll go to the Nifty bank chart and I'll remove all indicators and I'll go to the 10-minute time frame. All right. 10 or 5 or whatever. Let's go to the 10-minute time frame. The only thing that I've got going on my screen is the sessions break, which separates the days. I mean, one blue line means this was the previous day and then this day started from here. All right. I don't know whether 10 is available on the free version. So let's go to 5 because 5 is definitely available on the free version of TradingView. All right. So the indicator that I want to stress upon today is simple Fibonacci retracement, and it's automatic. So click on indicators and type in simple FIB and you will get this simple Fibonacci retracement by trade chartist. It's got 2257 numbering over here. Click on the star so that you save it to your favorites. We'll click on it and there it is. It looks something like this, as you can see on my screen. So we'll make some changes so that it's a little more visible. We'll first go to style and we'll uncheck the labels, and then we'll go to inputs. We'll click on this show 0.886 and 1.113 also. So we click on this, then we'll go here and we'll change the colors. This one I shall make fluorescent green, and this one I shall make very light yellow. And the best part is then from dotted I'll change it to solid, so everything is a little more visible. All right, and the chart would look something like this. Now as you can see on my screen, if I stretch it a little so that it's a little more visible, how accurately in this 5 minutes also it's showing us such a good resistance point over here. And then when it breaks this resistance and goes up, and then it breaks this and goes up, breaks this and goes up. So even on the 5-minute time frame, you can see the support and resistance that this Fibonacci makes is outstanding. You can click on the Nifty. On the Nifty also you can see the same thing. On mid cap Nifty also you can see the same thing, and on Fin Nifty also you can see the same thing happening. This is I was searching all along for a very good auto Fibonacci retracement kind of a tool. I found one that I have listed a couple of days back as well. That also is good, but currently I'm using this. So I wanted to show people how I use this. My current charts looks something like this. I've already shown you how to get this this 15 SMA and the Heikinashi RSI at the bottom. The only thing added to this chart is this simple Fibonacci. If you want to know the remaining indicators on this chart, then kindly watch the video that I've uploaded prior to this video. That video is going to be very helpful. It's about simple moving averages and Heikinashi RSI. I don't know what the video is called exactly. I think only two TradingView indicators that you can use across all segments. That is the name of the video, to the best of my knowledge. So anyways, coming back to this, the only difference between this chart and this has got no RSI currently and no simple moving averages. We will just discuss the auto Fibonacci. All right, now we can use this on US oil also. For crude oil, it looks something like this: natural gas, gold, silver. But I would suggest if you're dealing in commodities for like crude oil, the only change that I would make in this is I would go to the 30-minute time frame for crude, and the change that I was making this chart, it's absolutely workable the way it's currently also, because you see it's showing the support and resistance quite accurately over here. It's got the resistance so accurately, when it breaks it goes up. However, I would also suggest another setting, that you can make this candles to look back 150. That'll give you a larger time frame perspective. So if you are somebody who's not dealing intraday and you're dealing with like a 2-3 day view or a weekly view, then you will probably want to change this setting over here, days candles to look back to 150. For intraday, I would suggest just keep it at 100, which is the default setting, and you'll do well. All right, so this is how it looks. So for commodity, you can switch that to 150. For everything else, just leave that at 100, which is also its default setting. So this Fibonacci I've been using for a couple of days, and the results have been quite good. I'm quite impressed by the way it works, especially for trading Indian options. As I said, this is my chart and how it looks. This is the Bank Nifty and the Fin Nifty on the side of this. Yeah, as you can see over here, it shows a long consolidation on the RSI at the bottom. Same thing happens on top. And then when you see this clear-cut decisive breakout out of this resistance line, it goes breaking up very fast, and you can see how well it's got the support at the bottom also. The other interesting bit is, if the market is going up, then as it finds stability over the level above, it'll start changing the blue color to green. So suppose now this blue is broken and this market is going above. Once it finds that this is stable now and the market is quite comfortable above this blue line also will become green, and then there'll be more resistance blue lines created at the top. All right, so this is a Fibonacci that you once apply and then forget about it. You don't have to adjust it day in and day out. Just apply it once, forget about it. Only make the changes that I've recommended. Even if you don't make those changes, then it's good, but it's a little more visible with the changes that I've made. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Kindly try this indicator, would be my honest suggestion. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, share it with your family and friends. I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.